Now that you've got your mattress in where it's supposed to go, you're gonna take these here Velcros that are sewn onto here. You should have both sides. The side that's gonna stick to the van is gonna have its protective film still on it. You're gonna peel these off. And as you're putting this in, you wanna butt it up as far as you're gonna go up here, and then keep it close to the mattress as you're going to stick it in. That way, we don't end up with a gap here in between the bolster and the mattress. And you're gonna stick that down in there, give it a nice wiggle, and then you're gonna take these snaps here, and you're gonna snap those into those existing snaps. And you're nice and secure. Same thing with the other side. Taking these Velcros, and repeat the process.
Once your mattress is in and your bolsters are nice, you're gonna peel up, keeping that Velcro down. You're gonna peel up, and then this Velcro that's on there, try and take a roller or something and push it down really well so that Velcro sits to your foot.